this video, I'm going to be showing you guys skincare products you can add together as a combo to have a brighter, a glowy, and a glass skin. And these products, I'm not gatekeeping because I use them myself, so I'm super sure of how these products are going to work well on your skin. If you want to get this result in a short period of time, probably before December, you want to have your skin back, this combo is going to work well for you. And when it comes to brightening the skin, there's something good about it, which is your skin is going to naturally even out and your skin is going to have a very good complexion. Like compared to when you're even lightening your skin, brightening the skin sometimes can look finer than lightening the skin. This will all depend on what you want because I already made a video on how you can lighten up your skin as well. So the first product in this combo is the Dove Beauty Bar Soap. This soap is quite underrated because people feel it is for dark skin and because people that are not using this soap don't know how much this soap brightens the skin. This soap is not a lightening soap. It is a brightening soap that actually gives you an even skin tone because when trying to have a glass glowy skin, you also want your skin to be even out. You want your skin to look the same from head to toe. And the Dove Beauty Bar doesn't go wrong at all. And if you have a sensitive skin, you can just pick the one that says for sensitive skin. But if you don't have a sensitive skin, then go ahead and get the Dove Beauty Bar Soap. It has a lot of variants in the market, so is the fragrance, so you can just get any one of your choice. But you see the Beauty Bar, the one that is pink, that's the one I use myself and I love it so much. I always repurchase this soap because it actually helps to give me that soft skin. You also want your skin to be looking soft when getting bright, so this soap actually gives that soft glowing skin. So the next skincare product I love so much in brightening the skin is the Alpha Arbutin body scrub. When you add this to this combo, you will see a lot of difference. But the thing is, you're not going to buy this body scrub and put it in your room as a decoration. It is a body scrub. You have to use it twice in a week to get a very good result. So using this body scrub alone with the bar soap, you are going to see how soft your skin becomes. And if you're that person that have a skin that products hardly work on, any product you apply on your skin, you don't see it working, just relax yourself while using this Alpha Arbutin body scrub and you will see a lot of difference on your skin. And this body scrub also helps a lot with texture of your skin. Just like I said, if you know your skin is not soft, this combo, outside brightening your skin, is also going to make your skin super soft. When your skin is soft, it easily absorbs products and you start seeing your skin looking even out, radiant and bright. And this body scrub contains 30% AHA and 2% BHA. And what that means is this body scrub is going to be helping you if you have things like keratosis pilaris or strawberry skin roughness on your skin. This combo is also going to work well in smoothing out your skin. So the next product I'm going to be recommending is the Nivea lotion, and this variant, to be specific, this one actually helps to soften your skin, moisturize your skin, and you are going to be seeing a lot of radiance on your skin when you are using this body lotion. And alongside this other product that I've mentioned in this skincare combo, you are going to see big brightness in your skin. Like when I'm rating a brightening from 1 to 10, you're going to be having the 10/10 because this is a really massive brightening combo. So this Nivea lotion actually gets the work done. It gives you a brighter skin. It doesn't dry out your skin or strip off your skin. And even if you have a sensitive skin or a damaged skin, you can actually use this lotion as well to repair your skin. So this combo is going to be going way beyond just brightening your skin. It's also going to be repairing your skin. If you are prone to stretch marks, this lotion is also going to help to even out your skin and reduce the appearance of stretch marks on your skin a lot. So when it comes to body combo, you don't want to skip on using a very good body oil. And the body oil I'll be recommending in this video is the Disaar vitamin C body oil. This oil is a very affordable body oil, and this combo in general is also an affordable combo. You can use this body oil to actually get a softer, a radiant and a glowing skin because this body oil is concentrated with vitamin C, which actually helps to brighten up our skin and serves as a good antioxidant to our skin against radiation pollutants. So you're going to be getting a very good result with it. If you're someone that is hyperpigmented or you have hyperpigmentation on your skin, this body oil alongside in this combo is going to help to even out your skin, and it's also going to help to clear discoloration. So there are some products that when you're using it, your dark spot starts getting more visible, especially when you're using a brightening product. These products together actually fade any discoloration and dark spots on your skin. So you're going to be having the even skin tone with your skin looking super shiny. So I highly recommend this combo, and if you want to brighten up your skin before December, I highly recommend this combo. So that brings us to the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe to see you in my next video.